Hello rockers. So earlier on today I promised you that the riders here, just being over halfway, I know some of them are not, but some of them are missing those at home. Some are just happy to be away from you, to be honest, not mentioning any names. Wayne had a chance this morning and he sent his love to his kids, and Mike has done it as well. So now I thought I'd just introduce you to a few riders and you could not see my ugly mug for a change. And I'll just kind of pass the phone around and rockers will say what they need to say.
Hi Paul, Kieran, Angel, Miss Loads. Love you.
Hello, what, me? What? Hello, everybody. Hi.
You don't want to say hello to no loved ones?
No, everybody that loves me.
That loves you.
Hi Karen, love you.
No one on Facebook for me. So
No one. Oh,
pass them on.
Can we have a volunteer to love Henry, because he really is an awesome dude.
We all love
Comment below if you fancy a night out with Henry. We'll make it happen for charity, alright?
anyone sees that? Yeah.
You have a wife, very forgiving wife.
Oh yeah, I do have a wife.
You care about her at all?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Sometimes.
Yeah. We might. I don't know, we haven't met you yet, but we might. There's nobody here at all. That was a Jedi mind trick. That was. Whoa. Alright, let's get in the middle of the Bankses. I've been in the middle of the Bankses before.
Hello.
Is there anybody you would like to send your love to back home who might be missing you?
Jake, love you.
Hey Jake.
It's absolutely amazing here. I will see you soon. Where's he gone? Yeah?
You've already donated.
Yeah. Donate.
I don't know what was just saying. Well, Mr. Keel.
Hello. Well, I'd like to say hello to all the rockers that couldn't actually be here.
Amen to that. Let's go.
Missing you, Jorge.
We're missing Cav. Cav. We're missing Roxanne. We're missing Tooney. Jorge. Who else is not with us? Lance was going to do it, but he's not with us. There's probably so many more. Yeah, we said Jorge. Oh my God, PJ, of course, we're being waved at.
Love you too, Jaden. Sorry, mate.
Love you too, who?
Jaden.
Oh, look out, Deggett's on. Daniel's on. Love to Deggett. Oh, Deggett's not here. I don't know where he is. Hang on, I'll find him. Dan, don't go anywhere. I'll find him. Anyone seen a Deggett? Hang on, I'll find him, Dan. Love your brother, by the way. See if I can find him. I don't know why he's a fire starter. Love to get your fire starter. I'm curious. Oh, he's on the phone, unfortunately. I can't speak to you right now. He's talking to someone, Dan. We'll figure out what that's about later. You saw from the Fox this morning, but I haven't given Mark O'Shea the chance. Mark O'Shea, do you want to say hello to anyone at home that you might be missing?
I'm not missing anybody.
Not missing anybody. You that said that.
I'm having the best time ever.
You just stay out here.
I don't care about everyone in Scotland.
So yeah, he's joining me during the next loop round.
I'm only saying that because nobody in Scotland followed.
Those boys have had their chance this morning. Yeah, sorry Dan, Deggett has been, sorry guys, squeezing by. Who else we got in there? Hi Mum, hey Lynn, hey Carol. Alright, so I think that's more or less every rocker pretty much. Are you going to do this? You want to go over there with Mike and it's going to happen? So apparently Paul, you have requested this. You going to join him, Kits and Nevis? So Paul, apparently you've requested this. I don't know whether anyone else might spontaneously join. I'm certainly not. But apparently, we are officially now over halfway. Oh. I put the one person I know normally does anything, and that's the one thing he won't do apparently, is sing Bon Jovi. Can't say as I blame him.
You called them
Well done.
Who doesn't like Bon Jovi?
What do you want to say to Paul? He requested that. Okay, Paul, that's worth another bit of money in the pot there, I think, mate. All right, awesome. We're going to chill out now and eat some food. Tomorrow we've got an awesome day. We have got Sleeve League, we've got Mulligamore Head, we've got Glengesh Pass. It's going to be a challenge tomorrow, but we're all still full of energy. No one's tired at all. Are they?
Yeah, we're bursting to go.
No one is tired
we're
at all.
bursting to go to the toilet, sorry.
But do you know what? Genuinely, I mean, on the jog at this point, I was like, okay, yeah, I kind of want to just chill out now. I genuinely want to turn around and do this all again. Ireland has been ridiculous, and we're definitely coming back here.
Yeah.
We're coming back here.
No.
What you've not told everybody is we're getting to Belfast, and that's what we're doing. We're turning
We're
around and
gonna
doing it all over again.
I just realised Chris has turned up now. I didn't get a chance to speak to Chris.
Buying me a drink.
Chris, anybody want to say hello to at home, mate?
The wife and kids.
Give your kid a shout. Give your kid a shout out. What's his name? What's her name?
Her name is Kieran. Granddaughter, Paisley and Roman.
That's a cool name. Oh, you got a Roman. Hey, Roman. That's the name. Living on a prayer. What timing is that? That dude is awesome. Perfect timing. All right. Okay. Stay safe. Stay awesome. And above all else, I'm going to keep this one in there. Be excellent to each other because people can be awesome, and I found that out with all this lot here. So good night from us. We will see you tomorrow at some point on these crazy roads. Bye.
And sunrise.
I thought you were going to say good night for me and it's good night for them.
Well, apparently Mum's saying Mark doesn't like Bon Jovi. Where is the big lad, Lowell?
Donna Ralston.
Oh, John. Sorry. Yes. John is a bit of a tickle in his throat. I don't know why I chuckled when I don't know why I chuckled when I said that. But yeah, he's not feeling very well. So John, lots of love to you.
Can I just point out that JBJ has nothing to worry about. We were far better than Mr.
You've got a
Hamilton.
voice, dude.
I have that. Thank you. But anyway, let's not do that. Well, you know, I think John Bon Jovi should be retired years ago.
They do say insult is the highest form of love.
Maybe. That's true.
I hold no responsibility for this.
All right, we are going this time. Lucas is on board, who's L&D Automotive. Thank you, dude, again for your donation. Apologies for the shirt that we didn't have it on. It's now sorted. All right, stay safe, stay awesome, and above all else, be excellent to each other. Bye.
Have you become...
I don't. Things that I could keep, you got know when to hold, know when to hold 'em, when the deal is done.